Here is how to hide your Badoo account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide your Badoo account. So let's start. First of all, open the Badoo app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now in order to hide your account, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side. After you enter your profile, tap on the settings icon that you can see on the top. Then tap on account. As you open your account section, you will get the option to hide accounts on the top. As you can see on the description, it will hide your account as if you have deleted it. However, you can come back anytime and make your profile visible to general public. So simply tap on the box on the right hand side of hide account, and then your account will be hidden from the general public. After you check mark on hide account option, other people on the platform will not be able to find your account or interact with your account on the Badoo app. In case you want to make your account visible once again, you can simply uncheck this and your account will be visible to other people. So in this way you can easily hide your Badoo account on your phone. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.